Hey guys, welcome to my channel of FBQUEEN Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. Today we came up with another video of sofa set ideas. We brought 50 plus latest sofa ideas that will make your home bright and fabulous. No matter what your personal style may be, there is a sofa design out there that is perfect for your home. In this video, we will explore some of the best sofa designs that are sure to make a statement in your living space, from sleek and modern to cozy and traditional. There is a sofa for everyone. Keep watching my video to select the perfect one for your home. If you are looking for little inspiration to help you fall in love with your living room again, you have come to the right place. We have rounded up 50 plus sofa design ideas that are sure to give your space a fresh new. From modern to traditional, there is something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start watching and ready to get inspired. In this video, we will share some of our favorite sofa designs that are sure to make a statement in any home. From modern to traditional, there's something for everyone. So whether you're looking for a new sofa or your living room, or then you just want some inspiration for a future purchase, then keep watching. When it comes to choosing a sofa for your living room, there are many factors to consider. But with so many different styles and designs available, it can be hard to decide which one is right for you. To help make the decision easier, we have compiled a list of 50 plus sofa design ideas that will fit any living room. From classic and sophisticated to modern and minimalist, there are sure to be a style that suits your taste. A home living room is often one of the most used rooms, serving as a space for entertaining guests, relaxing after a long day, or simply spending time with family. As such, it's important to have a sofa that not only looks good but also provides comfort. Here are 50 plus design ideas to help spice up your living room. Sofas are one of the most important pieces of furniture in any home. They provide comfort and can be used as a decorative piece to tie a room together. With so many different sofa designs available, it can be difficult to choose the one and the right one for your home. To help make your decision easier, we have compiled a list of 20 plus design ideas that will make your home look better. From classic design to modern contemporary design, there's sure to be a sofa that's perfect for your home. So we have listed luxury sofas for your home. There are few things you will need to keep in mind. First, you will need to decide on the style of sofa you want. There are many different styles to choose from, so take your time in selecting the perfect one for your home. Once you have chosen the style, you will need to select the material. There are many different materials to choose from, so make sure you select one that is both comfortable and stylish. Finally, you will need to select the right size for your space. If you like my collection of sofas, do like and subscribe.